When price? Price, an investor's best friend or worst enemy, depending on one's view. On one side, short-term traders want the price to profit from daily fluctuations. Longer-term investors tend to watch a wider time frame. Then you get the when price guys who sit in the middle and need to validate the success of something through what the daily price is doing. The price must reflect the value of a project though, right? But as we can see from the last 2 years, the price of anything can move at any notice. Watching the price rise becomes addictive and time-consuming. It eventually takes over our rational thoughts. When the price goes up, we feel happy. When it goes down, we get fearful. Watching the price then becomes the single most topic of discussions on the chat rooms or forums, as it drives FOMO or expectations. But unless you are a short-term trader focusing constantly on intra-day price shows a level of inexperience. Investing into something that builds value over time shouldn't need constant scrutiny of the price. Scrutiny of the management and the team to improve is important to keep them moving, but price is often the one thing out of many people's control, especially during downturns. Brilliant companies and management teams often take years to get where they want to be and revisit cyclical lows multiple times on the way to doing so. That's why investing is often a focus on building through the downturns. When the market eventually turns up, the value generated at lower levels will push the price to new highs and create liquidity events for the investors. It could be argued that investors should seek non-volatile markets where longer-term trends are being set up for a value and let value build in. We often hear the cliche about what you chase runs away. Investing is no different. Chasing money and chasing price movement will often only lead to burnout. Investors who I see are successful at what they do leave their balls out and wait for it to rain, understanding that value gets built in over time. Therefore, asking when price only shows that you have not managed your risk effectively enough. It's a good lesson and one that we should take seriously. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.